Chapter 5 Southern Sumatra Part 1 Lampong. Orang Abung. The Orang Abung, probably the original natives of Lampong, were once a white nomadic people without settled habitat or agriculture who lived from hunting, fishing, and eating roots and herbs. They first settled on the Abung River and took their name from a mountain in the region Gunung Abung, in Gunung Abung, or perhaps the mountain and the river were named after the people. The language spoken by the Orang Abung is a form of the Lampung language. These mountains were formerly much more numerous than they are at present. One time, hunting was very prevalent here. It is said to have been the custom that when a band of warriors returned from an expedition, the young women met them on the way. Those who returned with hats were counted by the women, but those who came back empty-handed were not even allowed to enter the village. Skulls of the slain were put to double usage at the wedding. The bridegroom placed the bride price of gold and silver in the skull and handed it to the father of the bride, and the couple drank palm wine out of the skull. The marriage without this rite would have been considered legal, nor would it have been the status of a married woman. The Orang Abong have kept longer than older Lampong people to the religion of their forefathers. The native religion, however, has never been described. It is known that that pagan rites were observed at the graves in the name of Muhammad. In the main, the people now have the same customs as the more civilized natives of Lampong and are being absorbed by them. The Orang Abong are divided into four tribes or chiefs, and marriages take place much as on the coast. Before marriage, there is a freedom between the sexes, and a special corner is built in the family house when the young men can visit the girls and sing love songs. But this freedom seldom leads to licentiousness. In the wedding ceremony, the groom lays his leg over the knees of the bride, and they give one another marital names. Polygyny is practiced, tokens of rank are brought, and feasts are held as in the lowlands.